I just want to do a video on my day makers. These are the Chinese eBay brand. I think I paid $79 for them. They work fine. I'll tell you what, the one thing I would say that you have to be very careful with on these, and I'm going to have to do it to all of them, the terminal connectors. They don't solder them, so you need to go through them, pull them apart, and solder them together to the wire, and you should be good. I mean, they definitely work. There's no problem. You can see how well they work. And let me see if I can put this down and switch it from high beam to low beam. They work fine. All you have to do is, like I said, make sure that when you get these, if you buy them from eBay, that you, I mean, they look just like the day makers, that you make sure that you pull the pin terminals out and solder the wiring together. It takes a little bit of work, but $79 versus $300-400, I guess, or $200-300. Yeah, well worth it. All right, that's it.